ass like a bimbo. Serving niggas out the window. Have a 9-3 kids with a hustle with your mendo. Had to get it off the mental. Had to move with the intellect. Cause niggas want me back in that paddy wagon, but I won't let them in, no, sir. I gotta watch my tempo. Stepper, 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 only stepping for a check. Stepper, 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 gotta step on niggas.
What is good? Let me give y'all, not a cold start, but it's a start, man, because, you know, I'm just leaving the gym. Obviously, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you know, the gym I go to. And, you know, I gotta check engine light because my car is completely stock, no tune. So my check engine light is for my catless downpipe. That's the only thing I have. Exhaust wall, a real modification wise, besides like the exhaust, man. So yeah, man, back on the grizzy, man, on the grind. So a lot of people has been commenting on my post or DM me saying I should do car reviews. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. But before the music start playing, let me turn this down. But yeah, man, I have the plug for that. Just comment down below and let me know, what car do y'all want to see me drive? What car do you guys want to see me push? Go give y'all my perspective, because, you know, I'm a real driver now, so I'm open to a lot of cars, and a lot of people has been saying the Infiniti Q50, as in, like, to me to buy Infiniti Q50. I never driven one, so I think that's like the perfect first car to drive, because it's like a sports sedan, so I might as well do it. But yeah, today, man, I need new front tires, so I'm about to go to my tire shop. Obviously, Pacheco's tires are pretty much the only tire shop I go to, so we about to go there, man. But first and foremost, you see the new watch, man. Hey, so I'm stepping up my watch game. I'm trying to get up there with 3, man, because 3, man, that man got like 15 watches. I'm over exaggerating, but shit, you got a good amount of bagged watches. So yeah, but first and foremost, we're about to get some tires, so let's get on the road. You don't have 225? Or do you have 235? Damn.
That's what I said. I don't have that size. I only have that bigger, so.
Yeah. Damn. Okay.
Yesterday I had 225, but I don't know. I sent somebody to get it. I don't know, maybe he left.
Oh shit. Yeah. He left, never came back. Damn, that's crazy. Okay. So the one in Compton is closed. So I'm checking the other one. I appreciate it. Well, they are closed, so I gotta call the other one. So we are going to hopefully finish putting my car back to completely stock. These seats are next. I'm gonna keep the steering wheel on here because obviously the steering wheel doesn't have nothing to do with any real modifications, especially since the dealership, they actually like the steering wheel. So yeah, if you guys don't know my plan I have, I'll let them go. But if you don't know the plan I have, then you know I'm working on getting a new car. I am debating, depending on the banks, because the banks want me to get rid of this car. We'll trade this car in to get the new car. I don't want to do that, so yeah, it's a hard choice, man. It's really a hard choice, trying to really like decide like what exactly to do. It's hard, man. It's hard. Get rid of this car. It's super reliable now. That, like, engine wise, this car is completely stock. It drives a lot better, a lot more smoother. So my other option was just do full show car. So new wheels, obviously be a new wrap and stuff like that. So that's the plan, man. That's most definitely the plan. I don't know what, but first we got to get these damn tires first before, man. Cause what? I'm gonna show y'all these tires when I get to their other location. It was the worst one. Yeah, it was. Oh yeah, it was a small hole right there too. A small leak. Well, yeah, I'm glad I'm getting this tire fixed. You got a SI sedan over there. I ain't gonna lie, Linwood do be having a lot of low-key nice cars out here. And a lot of goddamn potholes too. So if you're trying to come to Linwood, California, be prepared to dodge potholes almost 24/7. So yeah, since they only have one, I gotta go to another tire shop to get the passenger tire, because yeah, that's crazy. So in the back, I'm running two 25/40 18s because I literally have no gap at all. Like I literally have, like my fender is pretty much sitting on the tire. So yeah, and it goes for this side too. Well, obviously it's not sitting because it's jacked up. But yeah, I ain't gonna lie, it's touching the wall. Obviously it'll be touching the fender, but it's looking good. So yeah, after this, I'm gonna go wash the car. And I gotta go figure out how to fix these holes, but I mean, there's no point because the car is about to get rewrapped anyway. So I just covered up these holes because when I wash the car, obviously I don't want the water getting inside the trunk.
If you ain't really with me, nigga, say that. If she fronted on me, then she could stay back. I'm Zariga in the end and we don't play that. Surf tatted on my hand and I'ma stay there. I'm tryna put my mama in the Maybach. I'ma shit on every place I used to slave at. Got me out here really looking for some payback. Got me out here really looking for the payback.
See, this is pretty much exactly how I would have my McLaren, but blue, this color right here, with forged carbon.
Matte?
Nah, this exact blue with that exact forged carbon. Cause this is sexy. I'm not gonna lie. This right here.
The rims are hard.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. These rims is this thing is low as shit. Damn. Yeah, this car is low. I don't know who car this is, but definitely I gotta drive this car right here, cause yeah, look at the forged carbon. You got forged carbon all right there. He's running a ripped exhaust. This is cool. Forged carbon all on top. More forged carbon. More forged carbon. Forged carbon. There's forged carbon everywhere. Yeah, I don't know who car this is, but I'll give this car a 10 out of 10. I'm not gonna lie, yeah, this car is definitely a 10 out of 10.
You gonna pull it out, you fuck around and crash. No, I'm driving that. Side swipe the whole move coming out of here. I did it with the McLaren. I'm backing in and hit the curb thing. So you crashed the McLaren wheel, brother? What was that? Yeah, I backed to the curb and we want to get some heat right after we left here. I have no fear, Mr. Organic is here. This is my new Lamborghini Urus 2021 edition. 400-something thousand. This is stank. It's called a sacrifice, you know, the sacrificial lamb. That's what this is, man. This is the sacrificial lamb. Shout out to my nigga Moses, man. Let me see them keys. Like, holding on to the tight. Damn, this key different. Huh? Only me and Slim got this tight key, man.
This yellow hard.
Yellow breakdown too, man. Make it count.
Full yellow. Damn. Full yellow. God damn. That's crazy. That's shit. Is it yellow? You're talking about Starburst.
Yeah, I started sitting there, Paul. He was scooping my seat back. I know how to work this, man. My wife got this. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, man. Gripping on that yellow. Hey, but this is better. I like this better than the other one because it's leather right here instead of Alcantara. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, I like the leather here.
and the leather on there.
What was the yellow right there?
Smooth.
Yeah, we wanted the orange leather right here, but you couldn't pick that. Cause it's okay, brother.
It's tight. Ain't about this yellow. Yeah, this the wrap I did. He can do with this. It's gonna be crazy. Yeah, this. Yeah. He probably go wide body, big boy wheels, full limo tint with the windshield tint. Yeah, it's gonna be hard. Definitely this yellow with the silver. Ain't gonna lie, that's actually a cold touch. That's cold.
Hey, bro.
This is tight.
Yeah, he already in it.
Congratulations. Thank you, brother. Monumental.
Put it in the sport mode.
Course is the best.
Oh, you want me to do this?
Put it in course to do it. You gonna get a little snap crackle.
It is, man.
Gotta warm up a little.
No, this is hard. This is a great decision. I imagine this motherfucker pretty good, don't you think?
That shit mighty sharp in there.
Yeah, this look good, huh?
Full yellow.
No, this is hard. I made a good decision, man. Yes, you did, brother.
That wheel, though. It had to be the wheel, brother.
The wheel did it, man. Hulk Hogan voice. Hard to do the wheel, brother. Damn, man. Come on, brother. Hey, get this boy up out of here. No, this is crazy, dog. Like, I didn't really look at it when I was like buying it. Like the options on this and how it's put together. It's immortal, man.
I know. I seen this here yesterday. I didn't even know it was yours.
Yeah, that
I
was
was
mine.
it's cold.
You
Yeah.
eyeballing my car? Don't do that no more. Eyeballing my car. I just slapped the dick for what he did.
Hey, why now?
I just slapped his dick for what he did yesterday. You know what I'm saying? But
What did you do yesterday?
he was eyeballing my car. He's a different
He was
stuff.
thinking about
Don't
eyeballing
do that no more, boy. Last moment did that, boy. He ain't been seen. You know what I'm saying, bro? This is good.
Congratulations, brother.
I did this. I did that, man.
Yes, you did.
I'm saying bye-bye to the
Time
whole
again.
Hello to the
Wait till I see what we got coming next.
Oh yeah, we got something next. We working on that, man. Shit, I already told y'all.
This sound like a DJ Chase beat.
Literally, who's this billionaire that's... So you Kanye West in there, man. Come on. Oh, shit.
He ain't got all the attributes I got, man. I'm like Thanos of human.
But I'm talking about just by that shit, brother.
He ain't got it. You see this Lamborghini, he ain't showing up the cowboy like that.
Yeah.
He's like, got no steering wheel like that.
But I'm pretty sure you could, though, bro.
I'm playing shout to Kanye, man. You know I'm joking. Shout out to anybody there doing it. I don't care what you're doing in life. If you're doing something positive and earning a living, man, on some real shit, you blessed, man. The average black man doesn't make above $40,000 a year. Understand that. Let's reiterate that.
Fully understand.
The average black man doesn't make over $40,000 a year. That's about 5 times that amount.
If you ain't really with me, nigga, say that. If she fronted on me, then she could stay back. I'm Zariga in the end and we don't play that. Surf tatted on my hand and I'ma stay there. I'm tryna put my mama in the Maybach. I'ma shit on every place I used to slave at. Got me out here really looking for some payback. Got me out here really looking for the payback. Every song's free to way. Cause that nigga paid the way. Niggas mimicking the city I was raised. All along without no homage getting paid. I mix the fruity pebbles with the hint though. Still up on that block but also indoor. Ever since I got it popping like a pimple.